Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve and understand HCF and LCM. HCF means highest common factor and LCM means least common multiple. These definitions are for 10th grade students arts maths. HCF definition basically is that highest common factor, the largest number that divides two or more numbers without leaving a remainder. For example, you have one number that is 12 and another number that is 18. Then you will factorize the both of the numbers and the common factors are the HCF. Basically, you have to learn about the HCF definition. There will come in the exam only definition for HCF or LCM, both of them. The definitions will come in your exams. Then HCF, highest common factor, you may say that the largest number that divides two or more numbers without leaving a remainder. And similarly, LCM definition means that least common multiple, the smallest number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. And if you want to take the LCM of two numbers that are 4 and 6, then you firstly factorize both of the numbers, and LCM is included both common and uncommon factor. This is the basic difference between HCF and LCM. HCF has only common factors, but LCM common and uncommon both factors. HCF is less than or equal to the. This is extra information you have if you want to learn about these definitions about these clues about these definitions. Then you may learn also. You may see also these HCF is always less than or equal to the smallest number. LCM is always greater than or equal to largest number, and this is the formula. HCF and multiplied by LCM product is equal to product of the two numbers. And this is problems HCF and find HCF of LCM 8 and 12 and find HCM LCM 15 and 20. But in this lecture you have to learn only definition of HCF, that is this definition: the largest number that divides two or more numbers without leaving a remainder. You may include this example also. HCF 12 and 18 is 6. Second, you have to learn and memorize this definition: the smallest number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. Also learn one example, that is LCM of 4 and